Welcome to 2230 Midland Grove Road, number 305 in Roseville, Minnesota. This beautiful two-bedroom, two-bathroom condo features over 1,000 finished square feet with several upgrades, lots of parking space for family and friends, but you also have two stalls that come with this unit in underground parking so your car stays nice and warm in these cold winter months. As you enter the building, you'll notice that there's a big open foyer. There is stairs as well as an elevator. The units are blocked off to each side. In the center here is the mail. It's a big open space as well if you want to sit and talk with a friend. There's always a door to get out back. There's lots of natural grass and nature throughout the summer along with ponds and water features. It's just a great place to relax. When you get to the third floor, or all of the floors, they have a big open area like this as well. Going into the unit, you'll notice that there's upgraded flooring and all of the walls have been painted. It's a galley kitchen with an eat-in dining room. This includes in the association not only all the amenities but also heat and air conditioning along with all of the other stuff that come along with it. There is a fireplace in the living room. You have your own private balcony that overlooks the parking lot. There's some really cool upgrades like this Frank Lloyd Wright feeling thing. They put a little extra in each one of the rooms just to give it a different feel. It's just a nice room divider. You could repaint, you can change it however you want. It's very quiet here throughout the year, so it's a nice place to sit and have a cup of coffee and read the newspaper. The unit is very clean and well cared for. It's very flexible for closing. There's a front closet. Then off to the right, this is the second of two bedrooms, which are both very good size. This one has a decent size double closet, and the master has two closets that I'll show you. But before we go there, this is the full bathroom that is right next to the second bedroom. To the right of this, which I will show you, is a linen closet, so you have storage. There you go. And then the master, like I mentioned, has its own private bathroom as well as two closets. So you have lots of space. The nice thing about these two-bedroom condos is that if you don't have a roommate but you just need an extra room for an office or a guest bedroom, it works fantastic. You have the privacy of two separate bathrooms. The main one is a 3/4 bath, and then the one out in the hall is a full bath. So you're completely covered. There's also a storage locker literally right down the hall from this unit. So you have extra storage. Everybody puts a lock on it, but everyone's very respectful. You can't get in here unless you have a key fob. There's also other convenient things on this floor, including a laundry room and a garbage disposal, as you see. So you only have to walk 30 feet to get rid of your garbage. Right next door to that is this laundry room. There are plenty of washers and dryers. People are very respectful here as well. Included in this monthly association is a pool, tennis and pickleball courts, family rooms, a full indoor pool, sauna, racquetball court. I'm going to show you some of these great amenities. This is what the two stalls look like. You can put shelving in front of it if you want, but again, it's a completely secure building with live-in management as well as repair staff, so you have any issues, they're taken care of right away. Here's a shot of the pickleball and tennis courts, which is next to, I don't want to call it a family center, but it's a party room and other amenities. And here's where the pool is located and the sauna. There's a pool room like this as well as an exercise room. So as I go through here, I'm going to show you some still photos as well as a little bit of video. There's one of the two showers. There's one for men as well as for women. They have an exercise room as well, so you don't have to pay a monthly fee to be a part of a club. You can also play racquetball or squash in here if you want, so that's another nice bonus. And then you have this beautiful indoor pool that is great year-round, plus a sitting area. And then up above, overlooking the pool, are family rooms or rooms that you can rent out to have parties. There's also a sauna and so many other wonderful amenities, walking trails. It's close to everything. This is a great house. Come take a look. You won't be disappointed.